Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Range Rover Sport. Powered by intelligence, brilliance by design, Range Rover Sport is in a class of one. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, cruise control, power brakes, child safety locks, fog lights, clock, compass, trip computer, interior lighting kit. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.